To import your Debank wallet address, follow these steps. First, understand what Debank is. A platform that allows users to track their cryptocurrency assets across various wallets and exchanges in one place. Importing your wallet address is essential to monitor your assets and transactions. Start by going to the Debank website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, click on the Add Wallet option, which is usually found on the dashboard or the Wallet section. Next, you will be asked to enter your wallet address. Make sure to enter the correct address, as any mistake can lead to incorrect information. You can find your wallet address in your cryptocurrency wallet, either in the wallet app or on the wallet website. After entering your wallet address, select the correct blockchain network, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or others, depending on the type of wallet you are importing. This is crucial as different blockchains have different wallet addresses. Once you have entered your wallet address and selected the blockchain network, click on the Import button. Debank will then sync your wallet data, which may take a few minutes. During this time, Debank will fetch your transaction history and asset balances. It is essential to note that Debank does not have access to your private keys, and importing your wallet address is a read-only process. This means that Debank can only view your transaction history and asset balances but cannot make any transactions on your behalf. To ensure the security of your wallet, always double-check the wallet address you are importing, and never share your private keys with anyone. Additionally, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your Debank account. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import your Debank wallet address and start tracking your cryptocurrency assets in one place. This will help you to better manage your assets and make informed investment decisions.